Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because today I'm showing you how I made this sweet Simsim. So let's get started. I'm going to wash my Simsim. I got them from the cereal shop and they are not so clean, they are direct from the farm, so yeah, they are dirty and they have debris. So let's wash and see what is inside the dirt and everything. I hope you watch until the end and see every bit of process that I made. Yeah, I've removed some Simsim and these are the ones that were floating on the top of the water. You'll see them, so I'm just sieving them. They are not bad, but just wait and see what we'll do with them. This is the water, the first water, and it's so dirty. That already tells you how dirty my Simsim is. And yeah, you have to wash them. Still being keen on picking the remaining on the container, and yeah, you have to be keen because here is where the debris are. You can see them. They are a lot. So you're not going to wash this. This is not the last water we are going to use. So we are going to have also a second wash to make sure that our Simsim is clean and there are no debris at all. So this is my second water. I'm just going ahead and putting the already washed on the second water. So let's wash again and see. All my Simsim are washed and clean, so I'm just putting them on the tray. If you have a metallic one, it's better, like the black one, because the sun will hit the metallic one and they will dry very fast. So I'm just going to use the wooden one and this one because I don't have another metallic one. Yeah, you're going to place them on the sun for quite a while. I don't know how long, but it depends. Until they are dry, they are totally dry. There's no water left. Now I have my pan. It's my pan on my cooker, and don't use a very high heat. Put the heat on the low key, and you add your Simsim on the pan. Yeah. Here I used a silicone spoon, but I'll advise you to use a wooden one because it's better. This one is not so hard. It's not good for the process because the Simsim becomes so hard and it sticks on the silicone spoon, so it's not better. I don't advise. Take another cooking pan or pot and you put in some sugar. It will depend with the amount of Simsim that you are having. So yeah, put in some sugar and in low heat just go ahead and cook the sugar until it's brownish. As you can see, the sugar is already melted, and this is the right consistency that I want, and I'm just going to add honey in the mixture. Now adding my Simsim in the mixture so that we start the process, the final process to have our Simsim and enjoy. all the Simsim has mixed with every bit of the sugar, so I'm just going to pick as when it's still hot with a spoon, the metal spoon, and start rolling. Oh, this is where I think everybody draws the line. It's so hot, but I managed to do it. You can even put some water on your hand, yeah, so that you have the round shape that is needed. I also used my silicone containers to make a heart, a love shape, and yeah, that's how I came up with the love shaped Simsim. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you can go ahead and make your Simsims at home. They are so yummy. You have to wait until they are dry, they cool up, is when you can take. So bye guys, see you next time, and I hope you love the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Bye, see you on the next one.